Revolutionize your file management. Simple tips for an organized life. Welcome to today's video. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by cluttered digital files or struggled to find a document when you need it, you're not alone. File management can be a real challenge, especially as our digital lives grow more complex. But what if I told you there's a system that can transform the way you manage your files forever? Stick around as I share my journey to creating a simple yet effective file management framework that strikes the perfect balance between form and function. Body. My name is Hone. I have a strong interest in technology and business management. I operate a business that offers outsourcing services to clients in the fields of fintech, e-commerce, and AI. Over the years, I've come across countless approaches to file organization, from chaotic, just search for it later strategies to highly structured systems like the Johnny Decimal system. Ultimately, I discovered that the key lies in simplicity and practicality. Let's dive into the details of my file management system, explore 5 game-changing tips, and learn how to make the most of your digital workspace. 1. The framework, 5 levels to simplicity. The core of my system is to limit the number of folder levels to 5. Here's why this works. 5 levels deep. Beyond this, it becomes difficult to locate files without getting lost. 99 folders wide. This structure allows for a clean, logical arrangement without overwhelming choices. Example of my folder hierarchy. Level 0. Broad categories like personal, work, or shared documents. Level 1. Subcategories within these, such as 2025 projects or finance. Level 2 and beyond. Further refinement, ensuring that by level 5 only files remain, no more folders. Pro tip. Reserve numbers for frequent access. For instance, 0103 are my most used folders, while 99 is always for archived files I rarely need but can't delete. 2. Naming conventions that work. File names should make documents easy to search and retrieve. I use 2 main methods. Date-based naming. Year only, 2025 budget spreadsheet, for long-term planning files. Year and quarter, 2025 Q1 review, adds more detail. Full date, May 5, 2025 inbox 0 training, for workshop materials. Alphabetical naming for non-time-sensitive files. Consistency is key. Use keywords like doc, briefing, or meeting notes to make files searchable. For example, project name _doc for standard documents. Project name _slides for presentation files. 3. Innovative file usage. One standout feature of my system is the Quick Share folder. Purpose. Temporarily store edited versions of files for sharing. Example. If a colleague needs specific slides from a deck, I make a copy, save it in Quick Share, and share it without cluttering the original folder. 4. Practical tips for file management. Tip 1. Organize files by usage. Inspired by David Allen, I place files where they'll be used most, not where they were originally found. For instance, meeting notes for Project A belong in the Project A folder. This way, everything is contextually grouped. Tip 2. Leverage search tools. Every file manager has built-in features that make locating files easier. Use Google Drive search operators like type, presentation to find slides quickly. For Mac users, tools like Alfred or Raycast speed up search processes. Tip 3. Add keywords. Can't rename shared files? No problem. Add a keyword in the description or comments field. Later, searching for this keyword will surface the file. Tip 4. Flag important files. Star or flag frequently accessed files but set a limit, only 5-starred items at a time. This forces prioritization and prevents clutter. Tip 5. Use shortcuts wisely. For shared files, create shortcuts instead of copies. This preserves updates made to the original document while allowing you to organize it within your system. 5. Tools for physical decluttering. As I streamlined my digital space, I also tackled my physical workspace. Products like Okiwood's MagSafe lineup have been game changers for cable management and desk organization. Their FSC-certified materials ensure sustainability without compromising aesthetics. 6. Avoid common pitfalls. Over-optimization. Resist the urge to over-organize. Simplicity wins every time. Inconsistency. Stick to one system and naming convention across all files. Conclusion. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful approach to file management. Whether you're working in fintech, managing personal projects, or juggling various responsibilities, these strategies will help you stay organized and stress-free. If you found these tips helpful, check out my video on productivity hacks for more insights. Remember, the key is to keep it simple, stay consistent, and adapt the system to fit your needs.